Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore the button features available in the Chat Help plugin. Chat Help allows you to add WhatsApp chat buttons using Shortcode, Gutenberg blocks, and Elementor widgets. We will review the essential options for each method. As we update settings in the back end, we will also check the front-end output so you can clearly see how everything works. Let's start with Shortcode buttons. In the Shortcode section, Chat Help provides a ready-made shortcode example. This shortcode includes sample attributes that show which options are available. These attributes are not edited from this screen. Instead, this section helps users understand what attributes can be used inside the shortcode. First, we select the simple button style. Now we copy the generated shortcode. Next, we go to a WordPress page or post and paste the shortcode into the editor. Now let's open the front-end preview. Here we can see the WhatsApp button displayed on the page. When a visitor clicks the button, WhatsApp opens with the pre-filled message. If we want to customize the button, we edit the shortcode attributes directly where the shortcode is pasted. For example, we can change the WhatsApp number, the button label, or the message text. After saving the page, we refresh the front end to see the changes. Now let's go back to the shortcode section. Next, we switch to the advanced button style. Chat Help now generates another shortcode example with additional attributes. This layout allows us to show agent information along with the chat button. Again, we copy the shortcode and paste it into a page or post. After updating the page, we can open the front-end preview. Now the button displays a richer layout with agent information and support message. Next, let's move to the Gutenberg block integration. Chat Help includes a dedicated Gutenberg block that allows you to insert the WhatsApp button directly inside the WordPress block editor. First, we add the Chat Help block. Now we select the simple button type. Here, we can enter the WhatsApp number and define the pre-filled message. We can also customize the button label. As we update these options, we can see the live preview inside the block editor. Now let's switch the button type to Advanced button. This layout allows us to add an agent photo, define the top label, and customize the main message displayed on the button. We can also set the online and offline badge text. These settings help create a more interactive support button. Next, let's explore the Elementor widget. Chat Help also provides a dedicated Elementor widget for adding WhatsApp buttons inside Elementor layouts. First, we drag the Chat Help widget into the page. Now we select the Advanced button layout. Here, we can upload the agent photo, add the agent name or department, and define the main message displayed on the button. We can also customize the online and offline badge text. As we update the settings, the button preview updates instantly in the Elementor editor. Now let's switch to the simple button layout. This layout displays a clean WhatsApp button with an icon and label. We simply define the WhatsApp number, add a pre-filled message, and customize the button label. This option is useful when you want a simple and clear call to action. Once everything is configured, the WhatsApp button is ready for visitors to start a conversation directly from your website. And that's how you can create WhatsApp chat buttons using Shortcode, Gutenberg, and Elementor with the Chat Help plugin.